Something is coming, guys. Airsoft season started, and now we're unpacking some good shit. So much tape. So much tape. Oh. Something in there, no. This is the surprise, you know? This is the surprise. Look at this, guys. MP7 kit for my AAP-1. I'm so excited. Oh, look at it. Look at this beauty. Marvelous. And now I just have to put this into this. Something like that. Also, I got the threaded adapter to put a tracer, something like that on it. And of course, to test it out, 50-shot GBB mag for the AAP. Looking good. Airsoft season can come.